Welcome to your first coding exercise in the course. We've put together a bunch of demo code and exercises to accompany this course. The absolute easiest way to get the code is to download it from the downloadable section in the classroom. However, if you're familiar with GitHub, you can also find the code here at github.com/udacity/ud867. Once you've downloaded the code, it should look something like this. Inside the Run Your First Task directory, you'll find a bunch of files. These three, the Gradle folder and the two Gradle W files, are part of the Gradle wrapper that we already talked about. The files you want to concern yourself with are build.gradle and solution.gradle. Every single one of these exercises will have that pair of files. The build.gradle file contains all of the instructions for the exercise, and the solution.gradle file contains all the solutions. Let's open up the build.gradle file in your favorite text editor. I'm going to use Sublime. All right, so here's the instructions for your very first exercise. I'll let you read them on your own. Your challenges are going to be using the Gradle wrapper to execute a task, and then modifying that task in a simple way. Remember, if you get stuck, check out the solution.gradle file, and it'll help you out. All right, give it a try, and then see if you can answer the question on the next slide. Once you're done running your first task, you should be able to answer this question. What is my favorite kind of candy? Is it chocolate, taffy, jelly beans, or bacon? And while you're at it, did you go ahead and run your first task? If so, was it awesome?